In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to authenticate your domain in ActiveCampaign. Ensuring your emails reach their destination securely and reliably is essential, and authenticating your domain is a crucial step in achieving this. Whether you're sending email campaigns to clients, colleagues, or a larger audience, domain authentication helps improve your email deliverability by proving that the emails are genuinely from you. Let's dive right into how you can set this up in ActiveCampaign. To start, you'll want to navigate to the Settings tab within your ActiveCampaign account. Once you're there, click on Advanced and then find the option for Sending Domain. This is your gateway to better email marketing, making sure your messages get seen and don't end up in the spam folder. When you're in the Sending Domain section, you'll need to make a choice. You'll be presented with two options: Configure Domain and Set Up Manually. Each option provides a different approach to verify and authenticate your domain, which ultimately allows you to send emails with greater authority and confidence. Let's explore the Configure Domain option first. By selecting this, ActiveCampaign streamlines much of the technical process for you. If ActiveCampaign supports your DNS provider, it will automatically connect and set up the necessary records for your domain. Specifically, it will add DKIM and SPF via a custom mail server domain, as well as DMARC records. This method is often recommended because it takes the guesswork out of the equation and ensures that your domain is marked as verified, quickly and efficiently. But what if your provider isn't supported, or you prefer a more hands-on approach? That's where the Setup Manually option comes in. Choosing this will present you with the DNS records that you need to add to your domain. You'll typically be given CNAME records for DKIM and your mail server domain, as well as a TXT record for DMARC verification. It's then up to you to log into your domain's DNS management portal and input these records manually. For those opting to set up manually, take your time to ensure the records are entered correctly. Even a small typo could lead to issues with email deliverability. Once you've added these records, it might take a little while for changes to propagate, so if you don't see immediate results, just give it some time. By following these steps, whether through automatic configuration or manual setup, you'll significantly enhance your email marketing capabilities. Authenticating your domain not only verifies your identity to email clients, but can also boost your efforts by ensuring your messages land in the right inboxes, making your campaigns more effective. Thanks for tuning in today, and happy emailing. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips on how to optimize your email marketing strategy.